Would you like to buy 2 properties for the price of 1? Are you confused between buying commercial or residential real estate? Well, guess what, guys? With this property, you're going to get 2 for the price of 1, and you're going to get both residential and commercial. By the way, my name is Hussein Kabani. I am your favorite broker. Why don't you follow me to the commercial side? All right, guys, this is the commercial spot. Treat it as a blank canvas. You could basically run a convenience store, salon, or even convert it to a private office, whatever you like. The other thing is the customers are built in. We've got a lot of high density residential here, so lots of foot traffic and a lot of people that come here. And if you don't feel like running a business, I don't blame you. You could just basically rent this thing out upwards of $2,000. Like I promised, there's a whole component to this. There's a whole townhouse right behind this. Why don't you guys go and check it out?